Greetings, fellow Falcons. This is the BakerFalcon, and today I have some news to share with you. The news is that as I was driving to school today, I was pondering about the news that I had received the earlier day, and those are the news I'm going to share with you. So it seems like I am going to be a father, and that is going to be the end of the BakerFalcons because I will be too busy doing stuff with my child, so I cannot continue my recording business. But thank you to all of you that have subscribed, watched, liked, commented, and done all of that stuff. Thank you to all who have supported me, but I will have to end the BakerFalcons now, and that's just how it is. Thank you for watching, and this is the last time I will ever fly to you.
April Fools! 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 April Fools!
April Fools! April Fools! April Fools!